crackdown on terror in Jammu and Kashmir, the NIA has conducted raids in 8 locations across Baramulla and Srinagar districts. Now, the raids come after examination of 9 terror operatives carried out in the valley earlier this year. Now, we are being told that several suspected terror operatives have been detained already by the NIA in these raids, and soon perhaps arrests are likely. The raids are in connection with the Jammu and Kashmir terrorism conspiracy case, which essentially is an umbrella FIR under which all recent cases, including the civilians killings and the targeted killings that we've seen in Srinagar, are being probed. Let's go across to Zeenat, who's reporting from Srinagar on this. Zeenat, good morning. Give us more details of these raids.
See, as far as the NIA raids in Valley is concerned, we are seeing right now the NIA raids taking place in North Kashmir. In North Kashmir, it's Baramulla and the police district of Sopore, where the raids are being carried by the slot of NIA, which is also accompanied by the CRPF as well as Jammu and Kashmir police. And also, if we talk about the summer capital, Srinagar, yes, the raids are on in the Lasjan area, which is in the outskirts of Srinagar. Most of the raids are being carried by the NIA to those places which are actually the residences of the OGW network, and OGWs who have not formally joined the terror outfit but are providing the logistic support to the terror outfit, whether it is Lashkar, Jaish or Hizbul Mujahideen. And today, since morning, we are seeing the raids being carried by the NIA in the places. We see, the thing is that the NIA has investigating the terror funding case for the last 5 years now, and as per the NIA, most of the people are of these, whether it's the OGW or for that matter the Jamaat-e-Islami leaders, the separatists, or for that matter the social actors, they have been collecting funds abroad as well as domestically, and those funds are being utilized by them in order to instigate violence in Jammu and Kashmir, because the NIA has recovered incriminated material, documents, laptops and all other things that indicates that the funds that have been generated by these people were used for terror funding in Jammu and Kashmir.
All right, stay with us, Zeenat. Let's also look at a report that was filed earlier about these raids.
इस वक्त हम मौजूद है नॉर्थ कश्मीर बारामुल्ला के फ्रसहार इलाके के अंदर। जैसा आप मेरे पीछे विजुअल्स में ये घर देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे सुबह नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी ने करीबन सुबह 5 बजे से अभी यहाँ पर रेड चल रही है। छापा कार्रवाई बारामुल्ला के साथ साथ भी कश्मीर के कुछ इलाकों के अंदर अभी चल रही है। फिर यहाँ पे मैं आपको ये बताता चलूँ, जहाँ पे इस स्पॉट पे मैं भी मौजूद हूँ, इस घर का एक रहने वाला है फयाज अहमद, जो कि एक सेल्समैन है। उसको कल पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया और उसके बाद आज मॉर्निंग सुबह 5 बजे से लेकर अभी फिलहाल इस घर में छापे कार्रवाई चल रही है। जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं किस तरह से सुरक्षा बलों की गाड़ियाँ यहाँ पे लगी हुई है और पूरे इस इलाके को अपने कॉर्डन सर्च ऑपरेशन में ले लिया है कम्प्लीटली। जितने भी यहाँ से लिंक रोड से या चाहे मेन रोड से, उनको यहाँ पे सुरक्षा बलों ने अपने कॉर्डन सर्च ऑपरेशन में ले लिया है। जैसे यहाँ पे भी आप देख रहे हैं किसी ऐसे जॉइंट ऑपरेशन CRPF और बारामुल्ला पुलिस के द्वारा। आप देखने वाली बात ये होगी क्या यहाँ से कुछ रिकवर हो पाएगा या नहीं। फिलहाल यहाँ पे आपको मैं फिर से एक बार ये बताता चलूँ कि कल जो इनका मोहम्मद रमज़ान जो है, उसका बेटा जो है, कल उसको बारामुल्ला पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया है। फिलहाल इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी चल रही है, इसे अरेस्ट क्यों कर दिया गया है। इरावत बहराज रिपोर्टिंग फ्रॉम बारामुल्ला।
All right, let's also get in Gursimran, who's reporting from Jammu on this. Gursimran, good morning. Gursimran, what we understand is that even as the NIA continues to conduct raids in Baramulla and Srinagar, the investigative agency has decided to probe all these cases under one broad umbrella. Give us more details on that aspect, I beg your pardon, as well.
Yes. See, these are the locations. 2 districts of Kashmir Valley, Srinagar and Baramulla, are being raided by the National Investigation Agency. Total 8 locations are being raided, and these are the subsequent raids which are followed by the arrest of 9 persons earlier in the case of RC 29/2021 that is registered in the New Delhi police station. And this is an umbrella FIR under which all the terror acts, including the recent civilian killings, is getting covered. This takes to the terror conspiracy hashed by various terror outfits, including including Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Toiba, Hizbul Mujahideen, the People's Anti-Fascist Front, the Resistance Front, and other terror outfits, those who were luring youth to join terror ranks as well as to carry out the terror activities. This is a terror conspiracy case that was registered by the National Investigation Agency on 10th of this month, and these are the third raids that the agency is conducting with regards to this very case. 8 people have so far been arrested, and it was on their investigation that these raids are being conducted. Top NIA sources have confirmed to Republic that several people have been detained and arrests are likely by the evening. So the documents that they have recovered and the digital evidences, they hinge towards their involvement, and all this module was mainly focused on the TRF